sorry about that. We just have to finish this one last example here. So, as I was saying, you always want to take, to get the middle, you always want to take 2x, or whatever's inside the bars, and make it equal 0 and solve. So in this case, if I take 2x equal to 0, then that means that x equals 0. So that's going to be my middle. So when I write the function, it's going to be f of x equals my two pieces, 2x minus 4. We're going to lump together the greater than 0 and the equal to 0. And so we're going to say if x is greater than or equal to 0. And then we're going to graph negative 2x minus 4 if x is less than 0. So we're going to put together the positive and the neutral case, because if you recall from the previous thing, in these two cases, if x is positive, it stays x. If x is 0, it stays 0. So basically in these two cases, it stays the same. The only time it's different is when it's negative. So we're just going to make two cases, okay? And then we're going to solve. We're going to graph this little guy. And 0 is our middle. So again, 2x minus 4 means that I'm going to have negative 4 as my y-intercept down there. This is the equal to part. So I get to keep that nice and solid. And then my slope is 2, so I'm going to go up 2 over 1. All right? And when I connect those two dots together, I'm only going to draw, I'm not going to let my graph go beyond the 0 because I want it to stay to the right of 0. So I draw my line like this, okay? And then for the other piece, I am going to do negative 4 is still going to be my y-intercept. Put an open dot there. And then, let's not pick black since we're already using black for the scale. But there's my open dot. And then now my slope is down 2 over 1. So it's going to go down 2 over 1 like this. But this time, when I connect those two dots together, I'm not going to go beyond into the positive side. I'm going to stick to the negative side and only draw the line that stems from there. And that's my absolute value. And that is how we are going to be graphing absolute value, in this section. So now, I am going to give you your last do-it-yourself right there. And once you've done that, you will have completed your notes for this lesson. I will see you in class. And thank you for watching, and sorry that that went a little bit longer than usual.